So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to scan a business card to iPhone contacts, iOS scan, notes and best apps. So how to scan a business card to iPhone contacts. Open the camera and use live text to scan the business card, then tap the detected phone number or email. Select create new contact to save the detail directly to Apple contacts on your iPhone. So scan a business card using the Notes app. Built-in method. Using Notes app is the fastest way without installing extra apps. Open Notes on your iPhone, tap the camera icon inside a note, select scan document. Place the business card in view of the camera. Capture the scan and save it. After scanning, copy the detail and paste it into a new contact in Apple Contacts. Second one is scan business cards directly with the Contact Scanner app. Several apps can automatically read the text and create contact instantly. Popular options include Camcard, automatically convert business card to contacts. Microsoft Lens, OCR scanning with export to contact or files. ABBYY, business card reader, highly accurate business card recognition. Install the scanning app, open the app and choose scan business card. Point your camera at the card, the app extract name, phone, email and company, then tap save to contacts. Third one is scan using live text, iOS feature. If your iPhone support live text, you can extract details directly from the camera. Open the camera app, point it at the business card, tap the live text icon that appear. Select the phone number or email, tap create new contact. Thank you.